So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Whirlpool inverter AC and that AC is getting E6 error, then how can you fix this error, and that too very easily. So let's start the video. If E6 error is coming in Whirlpool inverter AC, then this error is indoor unit and outdoor unit communication fault. This error can come in your AC due to 4 reasons. The first reason can be that check the supply wire of indoor unit and outdoor unit to see if that wire is cut from the middle. If the wire is cut, then reconnect the wire, then this error will be fixed. If the wire is not cut and still this error is coming, then the second reason can be that the supply wire going to your indoor unit and outdoor unit, then you should check the connector of indoor unit and outdoor unit. They should have the same color code. If the same color code wire is not installed in the connector of indoor unit and outdoor unit, then you can get this error. This will happen if the wire of the same color code is installed and still the error is coming. First of all, turn on the indoor unit and open the wiring cover of the outdoor unit. Now check the DC volts in the output supply of the indoor unit. If the indoor unit is giving DC output supply and you are getting this error again, then you will have to replace the PCB of the outdoor unit. And if the indoor unit is not giving output supply, then you will have to replace the power circuit board of the indoor unit. After that, this error will be completely cured. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.